Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see my Instagram link. We start by entering our Instagram profile. After that, we click on Share Profile. Here we will see different options to share. In this case, we will click on Copy Link. Finally, since we have already copied the link, we can paste it wherever we want to see the link of our profile. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.